Hi guys, welcome back to Input Plus. Today I'm in my son's bedroom. He is the true gamer of the family and we're giving him a desk upgrade. He's been playing on this old student desk and it's time for him to move up. So stay tuned and see what he gets. Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're finished with the assembly of the table or the desk, and nothing spectacular, but very nice construction, very nice material, and very sturdy. That's important. Color matches the rest of the equipment. Got a nice logo up front. It's got a headset hanger, which is important for gamers like my son, and it's even got RGB. Turn the light off for a sec. There's the RGB effect. You can have it on steady as well for those that are prone to, I guess, epileptic seizures, but I wouldn't leave it on strobe. I'll leave it on a steady, nice lighting. So I'll turn the light back on, and that's about it. Really like it. If I can get one for myself, I will, but I don't think I need this much space eventually down the road. But for a gamer like my son, I think this is a nice upgrade. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click on like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.